Dear students, we already seen 15 questions of states of matter. Let us see here question number 16. Match the column A with column B. Here column A, some reactions, some mixture is given. Column B, interactions are given. Now let us see sodium chloride in water medium. Here sodium chloride in water medium dissociates completely into Na plus Cl minus ion. Here ion dipole interaction, positive part of cation is bonded to negatively charged here oxygen. Such type of interaction is called as the ion dipole interaction. And remember, cationic interaction is important. How Cl minus can be attached to the positive part of this positively charged hydrogen. Such type of interaction is called as the ion dipole interaction. Therefore, first का जो आएगा वो है second. Next, H2O NH3. Now H2O NH3, the interaction is dipole-dipole interaction. Now look here, negative part, the negative end of oxygen is attached with positive, partial positively charged hydrogen of ammonia. Such type of interaction is called as here dipole-dipole interaction. So here again oxygen delta minus H like this one plus minus plus, here again ammonia comes. Such type of interactions is called as the dipole-dipole interaction. And remember, this bonding is not intramolecular. This is intermolecular hydrogen bonding, not intermolecular. Therefore, H2O NH3 shows dipole-dipole interaction. Second option is fourth. Ammonia and benzene. Now, benzene we know that the non-polar solvent having zero dipole moment, is having the zero dipole moment. Ammonia is the molecule having permanent dipole moment, non-zero dipole moment. Here non-polar, this is polar molecule, NH bonds are polar bond. Such type of interaction is called as the dipole induced dipole. Here ammonia, NH bond, polar, creates temporary dipole in benzene. Such type of interaction is called as the dipole induced dipole, temporary interaction. If we remove ammonia, the interaction gets cancelled. Therefore, third option is first here. Then, this is the salicylic acid, orthohydroxybenzoic acid. And we know that there is a special type of a bonding, and that a bonding is nothing but the hydrogen bonding. That is a hydrogen, this is the special type of a dipole-dipole interaction in which hydrogen is attached to negatively charged, electronegative atoms like oxygen, fluorine, etc. Here this shows intramolecular means hydrogen bonding within one molecule. This is intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Third. Let us see 1, 2, 3 match this one. 1, second, fourth, third, first. They go third, first. That means and fourth, third. Therefore, D is correct option. Dear students, let us see here next numerical. Question number 17. The pressure exerted by 4 gram of an ideal gas at a temperature T Kelvin in a vessel of volume V liter is 1 atm. Temperature T Kelvin, pressure 1 atmosphere, volume V liter. When temperature is increased by 10 Kelvin, at the same volume. Now remember, volume remains the same. Temperature changes and here pressure increases by 10%. What is the volume of given mass of gas? And here molar mass of gas is also given 40 gram per mole. Dear students, remember here volume is a constant. And which is that volume? Which is that a constant volume we have to determine? Here, at constant volume, pressure is directly proportional to temperature. Volume of given mass of gas, if the constant, pressure is directly proportional to temperature. Here temperature changes, pressure changes. Here temperature, initial temperature is here T Kelvin. Now look here, T Kelvin. Then now look here, temperature is increased by 10 Kelvin. Final temperature is equal to T Kelvin plus 10. Let us see here. And here, what is the initial pressure? Initial pressure P1 is equal to 1 atm. And final pressure, let us see. Pressure increases by 10%. Initial pressure 1 atmosphere, pressure increases by 10%. 1 atm का 10% लेना है, means 1 plus 1 by 10 is equal to 1.1 atm. This is final pressure. Then let us use the equation P1 upon P2, T1 upon T2. Now from this we can calculate what is the temperature value T1 or here T1. What is the temperature T Kelvin we can calculate. And once temperature is known, pressure is known, we can use this pressure or this pressure, final pressure or initial pressure. We can use initial temperature or final temperature. Volume can be determined. Number of moles is equal to our weight upon molar mass of the gas. R is a given, that is a 0.082 liter atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. Let us solve first temperature. What is the initial pressure? 1. Final pressure 1.1 P2. Initial temperature T Kelvin. Final temperature T Kelvin plus 10. Let us solve this one. T Kelvin plus 10 is equal to 1.1 into T Kelvin. Then let us arrange this one. 10 is equal to 1.1 into 1.1 T Kelvin minus 1 T Kelvin is equal to 10. 1.1 minus 1 is equal to 0.1 Kelvin. Therefore, 10 upon 0.1 is equal to K is equal to 100 Kelvin. Here, temperature we get here. Temperature is 100 Kelvin. This is the initial temperature. Temperature 100 Kelvin. Final temperature will be 110 Kelvin. Initial pressure 1 atmosphere. Final pressure 1.1 atmosphere. Here temperature, suppose we use initial conditions. P1 1 atm, T1 100 Kelvin. Then here W2 weight of the gas 4 gram. Molar mass of gas M2 40 gram. R 0.082. Let us solve this one. What is the temperature here? 100 Kelvin. Let us solve this one. Ideal gas equation PV is equal to nRT. PV is equal to W2 upon M2 RT. V is equal to W2 M2 into P RT. Let us solve this one. What is the W2? 4 gram. R 0.082. T initial condition. Here temperature 100 Kelvin. Molar mass 40. Then pressure, initial pressure 180. If we use here temperature 110 T2, then we have to use that pressure 1.1. We get the same answer, no doubt. Let us solve this one. 0.082 into 10, 0.82 liter is the volume of the gas. Here B is the correct option, 0.82 liter. Question 18. 6 gram of an ideal gas X at 27 degrees Celsius occupied the same volume as well as pressure as 3.2 gram of oxygen gas at 87 degrees Celsius. What is the molar mass of gas X? Dear student, in this numerical, focus on same volume as well as the same pressure. At same volume and pressure, number of moles is gas is inversely proportional to temperature. Here temperature of X gas is at 27 degrees Celsius and here temperature of hydrogen gas is at 87 degrees Celsius. Then we can determine the moles, number of moles of this oxygen gas given mass upon molar mass oxygen 32. Then here weight is a given gas X, then we can determine its molar mass also. Formula we can use here, number of moles of gas X upon number of moles of oxygen gas is equal to temperature of oxygen gas upon temperature of gas X. Number of moles, weight of gas X upon molar mass of gas X upon weight of oxygen gas upon molar mass of oxygen gas. Temperature of oxygen gas 87 degrees Celsius plus 273. This is equal to 360 Kelvin. 360 Kelvin is the temperature of oxygen gas. Then temperature of gas X is at 27 degrees Celsius is equal to 27 plus 273 is equal to 300 Kelvin. 300 Kelvin. Let us substitute the values in these equations. Weight of gas X is a 6 gram. Molar mass of X we have to determine. Upon weight of oxygen gas is a 3.2 gram. Molar mass 32 is equal to 360 upon 300, 36 upon 30. 6 upon mx, molar mass of gas X, upon 0.1 is equal to 36 upon 30. Therefore, we can write 6 upon molar mass of X is equal to 36 into 0.1 upon 30. Let us solve this, simplify this one. 6 job, 5 job. Okay. This is equal to 0.6 upon 0.5 is equal to 0.12. Then here 6 upon mx is equal to 0.12. Therefore 6 upon 0.12 is equal to molar mass of gas X. This is nothing but 600 upon 12 is equal to 50 gram per mole. The molar mass of gas must be 50 gram per mole. Option A is correct one. Option A is correct one. Let us see these, dear students. Then come to question number 19. See here, question number 19. The values of van der Waals constant A for gases are given below. Here gases are given, their van der Waals constant A, and the unit of van der Waals constant A is nothing but liter square atmosphere mole raised to -2. And which question is asked? The decreasing order of these gases to liquefy, to undergo liquefaction easily is. Now remember, Very simple. In such type of a question, higher the value of A, van der Waals constant A, higher is the tendency of the gas to liquefy. If value of A is high, the gas liquefies easily. Then let us see which value of A is the highest one. NH3, first NH3, then CO2, then CH4, then N2. NH3, CO2, CH4, N2. NH3, CO2, CH4, N2. C is the correct option. Question number 20. Match the column A with column B. Van der Waals constant, column A, van der Waals constant A, van der Waals constant B, rate of effusion, Boltzmann constant. Now we know that van der Waals constant A is nothing but the pressure correction. Here the formula for pressure correction is P plus N square A upon V square. And what is the unit of A? Actually unit is given here. Liter square atmosphere mole raised to -2. First let us see here. The unit of P is equal to unit of N square A upon V square. Because this is the pressure correction. Therefore unit of P is equal to unit of this one. Pressure is atmosphere, N square, mole square, A, volume, liter square. Then what will get the unit? Liter square, atmosphere, mole raised to -2. Therefore van der Waals constant A, option third, liter square atmosphere, mole raised to -2, third one. First का third one. Then van der Waals constant B. Here unit is a given. Now B is nothing but the volume correction, and the volume correction is nothing but V minus NB. Let us determine the unit of this van der Waals constant B. Unit of V is equal to unit of NB. Unit of B here. V liter, N mole into B. Therefore liter per mole is the unit of van der Waals constant B. Liter per mole. 2 का सेकंड ही होगा. Third, rate of effusion. The rate of effusion is nothing but the volume of gas effused leak per unit time. Volume liter per unit time. Second, third का rate of effusion unit is liter per second. And Boltzmann constant is nothing but ratio of gas constant to Avogadro's number 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. 4 का ऑप्शन है फर्स्ट. लेट अस टेल द आंसर. फर्स्ट का थर्ड, सेकंड का सेकंड, थर्ड का फोर्थ, फोर्थ का 1. देखते हैं फर्स्ट का थर्ड, ओके, सेकंड का सेकंड, थर्ड का फोर्थ, ओके, फोर्थ का फर्स्ट. A is the correct option.